This video will guide you through the simple steps to attach your hair mount pouch securely to your helmet. What you'll need: your helmet, hair mount pouch with Velcro mounting strip, scissors if trimming is needed. Step 1. Check the fit. Remove the Velcro mounting strip from the hair mount pouch. Turn your helmet over and gently push the inner layer away at the back. Hold the mounting strip inside the helmet to check if it fits properly. If needed, trim the strip to size and test the fit again. Step 2. Attach the Velcro strip to the helmet. You can attach the strip on its own or, as shown in the video, reattach it to the hair mount pouch first for easier installation. Peel off the red backing from the adhesive side of the strip. Push the inner layer of the helmet away again. Position the strip, or pouch with the strip attached, inside the back of the helmet where it fits best. Press down firmly and hold in place for 1 to 2 minutes to ensure a strong bond. For best results, allow 24 hours before applying tension to the strip. And that's it! Your hair mount pouch is now securely installed and ready to use.